Physical therapists and PTAs are often deemed movement experts. So we can definitely bring to the table expertise with how a patient can move around both in their home and the community, what devices might help them accomplish their goals. Maybe if pain or weakness is a barrier, we can offer advice on how to help that, and that we bring that mobility and movement expertise that other professions may not have as much training in.
So PTAs fill that void. They come in, they're very important in the PTA team, and physical therapist assistants work with patients every single day. That's what we do all day long, hands-on, working with patients all day long. So we do a really good job of trying to keep our labs looking just as much like the contemporary practice out there that the students will go to. So they're going to experience our equipment just like they're going to see in the clinics that they're out. Delta has a fantastic multimedia lab, simulation lab, where we teach our students acute care kinds of things. So it mimics what a hospital environment is just like. So they're going to get exposed to everything just like they're going to see out in the real world.
Understanding and being able to physically pick up a dumbbell or a TheraBand and use it versus reading about the concept or the idea of it totally changes. I'm very much a hands-on learner, and this program promotes hands-on learning. They've done so well at making sure we learn about empathy towards patients, things that we could possibly never understand. They teach us about so that we can relate to our patients in some way. And so us being able to empathize with that, being like, I understand how difficult this can be. Let me show you how to change it up.
Because if you can help one person get back to what they want to do in life, I feel like you're doing your job. With my professors having such a small class, you really get to know these professors and they get to know you. And it really helps because they care about you and they want us to continue the good work that we learned. I think it's very important because what we're doing is affecting people on a community level.
But that's part of the benefit of training here, when you're in school, and then when you get to the actual hospital setting with real patients, it's a little bit less intimidating. We have therapists come in and give us feedback about, oh, you should get this equipment, or this is up and coming, and we're able to get those items as well. So our students have a lot of sometimes even more knowledge of the newest items than going out in the field and seeing, what their therapists are using.
They've invested so much time and money in quality instructors and program coordinators to make sure that we are learning everything we possibly can.
I can honestly say this program prepares you for most things that's going to be thrown at you in the job field. It was just using exercise to help people get better, fix their problems, like recover from injuries, get them back to their lives. I like that.